Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Sofa Tarbiyah. Here's pronunciation p and t. Number 1. Peter Piper picked a peck of pickled pepper. 2. Parker prefers poetry to painting public pictures. Polly put a peck of peaches in a puddle in the pig pan. 4. Priceless plastic penguin. 5. Proper preparation prevent poor performance. 6. Please pause for proper applause. 7. Parched pioneers pulling pork from poor pigs. Number 1. 2 tiny tigers took 2 taxis to town. Tiny tiger number 1 got 12 turnips and ate them right away. 2 toads, totally tired, trying to trot to Tewkesbury. 10 tame tadpoles tucked tightly in a thin, tall tin. Tiny tiger number 2 was tricky. 22 little teapots, 22 tea bags, turmeric root, and took nothing to eat. Time to take your tea in a train. That's it. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.